Welcome to math class dear. Today you will be learning in mathematics chapter 10 patterns. Already you have completed up to page number 112. Today you will be seeing from 113 is the same patterns. Page number 113. Here it's like a fun game, okay, with a pattern, okay. Some friends are playing with a number card, so how they had. Now see the picture from 11 to 16, the number was there. Yes. The rule they have given, I will be reading it. Can you see the rule which gives us the same sum each time? Rule. We get the same num when we add the two number. You should get the same sum when you are adding it. What is the SUM sum that you all know? That is the answer. When we are adding, you will be getting that one. Okay. For example, I will be showing you this one is the first from left 11 and first from right it is 16. They have wrote here 11 plus 16 equal to 27. Same like that, second from left, second from right, third from left and third from right. They have done here, see the same pattern 11, 12, 13, 16, 15, 14, and the answer is 27, 27, 27. The sum was same. So they are asking us to do, see here, now you write any number and the three number after that make a pattern using the rule. Okay, patterns using the rule. See if you get the same sum. You should work out with any numbers and you should show whether the sum is same. Okay, for example, I have took here, so this one I will be doing here 25, 26, 27, 28. I have took these numbers. Okay, so I going to work out like here. Okay, first they are asking first from left and first from right, so I going to add 25 plus 28. Then what will be the answer? 8 plus 5 it is 13. 3 will be there and 1 will be the remaining. 2 plus 2 it is 4 and the remaining 1 we need to add and then it will be 53. Excellent dears. Next listen to me. Next, second from left and second from right, that is 26 plus 27 equal to 53. You all know that is 7 plus 6 is 3. 3 plus remaining 1 will be there and 2 plus 2 it is 4 and 1 will be there and you will be adding 4 plus 1, then you will be getting 5. So you are going to complete this one by seeing here, which I have completed here. Okay, what I have done here you can just see and write here. Okay children, complete page number 113 page number you should complete. Okay pa. Page number 114, pattern with addition. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6, that is 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 9 and 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 12. You can see the sum, it is the additions of 3, that is 6 plus 3 it is 9, 9 plus 3 it is 12. So that girl is telling it is grown by 3 each time. Yes. Next one, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 10, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 14 and it is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 equal to 18. Here you can see it is grown by 4 each time. Yes, 10 plus 4 it is 14, 14 plus 4 it is 18. So now they are asking us to do with the 5 orders of number, but they have given you a clue. In the clue what they have given, it should be grown by 5 each day. Yes, 5 each time it should go. So I will be going for the first one. Here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you are adding this all, you will be getting the number 30. Okay, first sum. Second, it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you are adding this all, you will be getting the number 35. Yes, right. You are getting like the 5 each time. Okay, if it is 30, if it is here 35, the next will be it is 40 and 45 and 50. Here you should start from 6 and here you should start from 7 and the next one it should be 8. Okay, this 3 boxes, that full of empty boxes, you're going to fill and you're going to send to me. Okay, you should complete page number 114. Page number 115. Okay, you will be going to do the secret message. What are you doing? The girl is asking to the boy. The boy is telling that my friend have sent the note for me, but I can't understand. So the girl is telling, let me see. And she going to go give the solution for the boy. Okay, now it is Yamini explained the rule. Numbers have been used for letters. For example, J is 10, P is 60. So JUMP is. If it is J is 10, that is U is 21 and M is 13 and P is 16, complete this list of letters and numbers to help you. First you should complete from A to Z. Here it is 1 and it is up to 26. This is Z. You should complete up to 26. And you all know that is alphabet as 26. Yes, English alphabet says. Okay, now Tino wants to write to his friend good morning. She need to write to his friend good morning, but it's not in the manner of sending this letters. It is in the manner of sending the rules with numbers. Okay, let me see. Now for G it is 7 and for O it is 15, that is double O is there, that is 215 should be there, and for D it is 4 and for M it is 13 and for O it is 15 and for R it is 18 and for N it is 14 and for I it is 9 and for N it is 14 and for G it is already I have know that is 7. Okay, this was the secret code. Even you can send your friends like a fun game. Without sending the letters, you can send the numbers. Okay, children. The next thing they have given you, but have changed the rules here. In the place of B, you should write 1. In the place of D, you should write 3. Okay, but they have given the word as let us dance. For this, you going to do with the secret message and going to send to me. Complete page number 115, dears. Today's homework, complete page number 113, 114 and 115 in your max book. Don't want to use your note today? Do it in a max book.